Hi, Mami Steffi. Thank you for follow. Sagutin kita ha. So, EDD ko po March 2027. When po pwede maghulog? Last 2024 po ang last na hulog ko. So, Mami, kung halimbawa old member ka and wala namang changes sa member status mo, let's say for example, from employed to voluntary, pwede mong hulugan yung April, May, June mo. Pero pakita ko muna sa'yo para mas malinaw ha. I'm using SSSMaternityBenefitsCalculator.com and ilagay mo lang dito, follow mo lang yung mga steps dito. So, sa step number 1 natin, lagay mo lang, kung voluntary ka, yan, lagay mo yung voluntary and then maternity case, normal delivery or CS delivery. Kung halimbawa solo parent, yan, click mo lang solo parent. And then, for EDD, ang sabi mo dito is March po, no? March 2027. So, ang qualifying period mo is October 2025 to September 2026. So, kailangan meron ka at least 3 months posted contribution para mag-qualify ka. Na kung halimbawa, old member ka and wala namang changes sa member type mo, pwede mo pang habulin yung January, February, March mo. Though na yun ha, considered late payment na but might be useful for future benefit. So yan, ini-encourage ni SSS na bayaran mo pa rin yung for this year kasi sayang, kasi pag halimbawa the next year at gusto mo siyang balikan para bayaran, hindi mo na siya pwedeng mabalikan. So pwede mo lang siya mabayaran kung the same year. Like ito, January, February, March. Ayun nga, considered late payment na siya kung babayaran mo siya, pero might be useful for future benefit. Now, ito na Mami, kung gusto mong mabayaran yung April, May, June, pwede pa tong bayaran. Ang due date nito Mami is on or before end of July. Quarterly payment to ha, so generate ka ng 1 PRN. Tapos yung July, August, September, again, quarterly payment, pay mo siya on or before end of September. So, kailangan on or before end of September mo siya mabayaran or as early as possible. Basta wag mo siyang babayaran, let's say for example, October. Kasi pag binayaran mo yan na October, outside qualifying period na po siya, considered late payment na. Yan. So, sa mga gustong estimate or magpa-compute ng MatBen nila, comment lang your EDD, your month contribution, and your member type. And for self-computation, punta lang po kayo dito sa SSSMaternityBenefitsCalculator.com. And mga mami, just in case you need extra fund po ha, I have a referral link po dito. Yan, click nyo lang to. Madadirect kayo Union Bank credit card. Wala naman tayong commitment dito whether you're approved or not po. Pwede po kayo mag-fill up.